we will compare two clauses applying the to-infinitive. The first clause consists of a be-verb, a present participle as an adjective, and a to-infinitive. The second clause applies the preposition to, and the object of the preposition to indicated by a gerund, not a root infinitive. The first clause is this: these scissors are used to cut a piece of paper. The speaker states this clause in the perspective of the object to get the definition of the transitive verb use. The subject, indicated by the phrase of nouns, these scissors, are of the transitive verb use. This clause is stated in the passive voice of the speaker. The action indicated by the phrase of the to-infinitive, to cut a piece of paper, is the purpose of the subject. To get the action indicated by the past participle used that has the trait of the adjective. So the phrase of the to-infinitive, to cut a piece of paper, describes the purpose of the action indicated by the past participle to describe the condition of the subject indicated by the phrase of the nouns, these scissors. There is a clause, I am used to drinking a cup of water. The point is that the be-verb am describes the habitual condition of the speaker. The clause describes the constant condition that was and is certain to surround the speaker as the subject in the present. An experience, a condition, or an action that constantly happens is the present tense, just like this clause. The earth revolves around the sun. The verb revolve to describe the action that is constant to happen from the point in the past to the present is stated by the present tense in a clause. This clause is always true in the past, at the present, and in the future as well. Let's take a closer look to the definition of the be-verb am. The speaker is the object to get the definition of the transitive verb use from an unstated subject with the purpose to actualize the action indicated by the gerund drinking for a period, which is the object of the preposition to. Let's focus on the three words I am used. Then we can understand the speaker is the object to get the definition of the transitive verb use from an unstated subject. The subject is not stated, but we have to aware that this clause is in the passive voice. From now on, we will interpret the subject-object relationship mediated by the preposition to. The subject of the preposition to is the speaker, who is the subject of this clause, and the object of the preposition to is indicated by a gerund, drinking. The speaker who constantly gets the action indicated by the gerund, drinking, from the unstated subject expects to get the action indicated by the gerund, drinking. From the past to the present, the speaker described by the be-verb proposes, indicated by the gerund, drinking. The gerund, drinking, with the suffix ing reveals that the action indicated by the transitive verb drink happens for a period. The speaker, who is the subject, gets the action indicated by the transitive verb use from the past point in time to the present constantly, with the purpose to make the action indicated by the transitive verb drink happens for the period. So this clause conveys the intention of the speaker to describe the familiar condition that has been surrounded until the present. So this clause conveys the intention of the speaker who the tendency describes the repeated experience, condition, or action. This clause, the to-infinitive, can be divided the preposition and the root infinitive. The root infinitive is replaced by a gerund, and the root infinitive on experience, a condition, or an action that happens at the time when the verb of the clause happens. But the gerund on experience, a condition, or an action that happens for a period. This comes from the different form, the derivatives of a verb.